So your wheel cylinder's leaking. Let me show you a quick tip here. A lot of people will just go out and buy new ones, which I mean is probably the best way to go, but that's not always necessary. What's inside a wheel cylinder, this one's took out, as you can see. What's inside of them is this right here. You're gonna have your dust cover, your piston seal, and a spring in the middle. That's what the piston seal looks like. It's going to be flat on one side, it goes in towards the spring like that. And then your piston, sometimes the dust cover is attached, sometimes it isn't, sometimes it's a separate piece. This one's attached. So what you want to do with these is pull the dust covers off and inspect them. Look at the seals, clean them up with some brake parts cleaner. Make sure there's no cracks in them. If there's no cracks in them on both sides, it's probably good. What you need to do is get some brake parts cleaner and clean up in there, and some sandpaper. This is just some 400 grit, and you want to get in there and clean out that rust, because what probably happened and caused your leak is either rust built up on the wall, and that's allowing the pressure to scoot by these piston seals, and it's leaking out. Or that's a piece of particulate like rust matter or something else that got in the brake lines, got in between this seal, and that's what's causing it to leak. So you get some of your oxide sandpaper, clean out the internals real good, get in there. You don't even have to take it off the car if you don't want to. I'm worried about taking this one off because I know it's going to break the brake line. I'm going to have to replace it. And spray it out real good with you some brake parts cleaner after you brushed it, and then reassemble it just in this fashion, and bleed it out, and you should be good to go. It will seal again and you don't need to replace it. Thanks again. Please subscribe. Trying to get more subscribers. Later.